Now, this radio's been well documented. My YouTube channel. It's one of the very first RCI-29s to hit the market. There are some little marks on it. And these are actually well documented from when I very first opened this new. It came this way. That's the way Ranger's paint is. This one's never really been in actual use other than making YouTube videos, and I've kept it in the box. So it's basically open box demo unit condition. There's another little paint thing that came that way from the factory, which was also documented when this was open new. Let me hook it up and show it in action. You can see, very reflective, no scratching. Got it hooked up. As you can see, it works pretty good. Goes up to 28,305, down to 25,615. Very stable on frequency. This has a surface mount board inside. It doesn't drift like all the old Galaxy 2547s. Static is quite bad. You couldn't hear what I said there. These don't drift like the old 2547s. These have a solid state surface mount board inside, just like a 2995. It's very tightly frequency controlled. I'm gonna grab a different stock mic. I've got all the original accessories in the box, which I'll show in a second. So here's what comes in the box with it. Original power cord, original microphone, never really used. Original power cord, never even opened. Manual, and your warning that you're breaking the law if you don't have a license to use this, which you're doing anyway. So, just to show, the fans are spinning. When you shut it off, so you can see them spin down. There you go. Turn it on. I'll hook this up with just a random Galaxy stock mic here, and we'll show what it's doing on the meter. Alright, I got this on channel 6 because nobody can hear you anyway. Show you on the outside meter. I've got it dead keying. 25. Audio 1, 2, 3. Hello, audio. 25 to 100, so 100% modulation. We'll try upper sideband. Audio 1, 2, 3. 100 watts on the dot. And upper sideband over here, so we can see how it sounds. Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio. Turn this talk back off. Audio 1, 2, 3. Lower sideband. Lower. Audio 1, 2, 3. And the clarifier, I believe, you can lock or unlock. Audio. Audio. Let's see, that's audio 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2. So when it's centered here, audio 1, 2, 3. Hello, audio. AM. So as you can see, everything works. Audio 1, 2, 3. 100 watts on the dot from a 25 watt carrier. All right, let me put this on the dummy load and check it on the tight Radio Shack. Okay, so I'm on the tight Radio Shack meter now. About 25. Audio. Hello. Still showing about 100 watts. Hello, audio. Switch over to sideband. Audio. Now remember, that's a tight meter there. And look, I'm even picking up receive. This thing's so sensitive. I'm picking up receive through the dummy load. So let's do a regular receive test. Okay, I've got an S9 at about 25 microvolts. So receive is pretty strong. I really don't have much use for this radio. I'll give you the pros and cons of it. There is a mod you can do to make band A 11 meters and end on 26 or 29.655. And I'll just tell you straight up, even for this eBay auction here, the clarifier is its Achilles heel. I have many videos documenting this. You can only go down that much. You can only go up that much. Whereas like a RCI-29 base plus or 29.95, you have full control. I am a general class ham operator, and I can't get this to, you know, say 28.420, 28.430. I mean, it does have a 10kc switch, but you just don't have enough slide. So I'm just putting that out there. And I think that's all I got to show on this one. So this is just in the condition I received it. It's been well documented, tore down and inspected, checked for alignment. I mean, everything's good. It is what it is. Makes an excellent 11 meter radio, but not that hot of a actual 10 meter radio, which I use my 29.95 for. I find it to be quite good, even compared to ICOM. Anyway, I'm getting off topic. So this one's going to be listed on my eBay store here shortly, and you will get the original RCI mic. I just have a Galaxy one on here for the demo here, so that's it for this one.